Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Dainty Fitsginandika. I am a student from Pelita Bangsai University in elementary school teacher education. Now, I want to tell the story with the title Cat and Fox. Listen carefully. A cat and fox. A cat and fox were once discussing about hounds. The cat sighed, "I hate hounds. They are very nasty animals. They hunt and kill us." The fox sighed, "I hate hounds more than you, cat." The cat asked, "How do you save yourself from hounds, fox?" The fox replied, "There are many tricks to get away from hounds." The cat asked, "Can you say what your tricks are?" "Ha ha ha ha, they are very simple," said the fox. He added, "I can hide behind tricks bushes. I can run along thorny hedges. I can hide in burrows. There are many more such tricks." Now it was the turn of the fox to ask the cat about her tricks. The fox asked, "How many tricks do you know, cat?" The cat replied, "I know just one trick." The fox sneered, "Oh, how sad! You know only one trick? What is your trick?" The cat was about to answer, but she found a flock of hounds fast approach. She said, "I am going to do it now, because the hounds are coming." Saying the words, the cat ran up a nearby tree safe from the hounds. Wah, wah. The fox tried all his tricks, but the hounds outbeat him. My one trick is better than all his tricks," said the cat to herself.